Hello, I'm Abhishek, and in this video, we are going to discuss a very good set based on mathematical reasoning. So the question is, in a target shooting competition, a person is allowed to shoot at 4 targets successively, then followed by the next competitor. When all have finished one such round, the process is repeated. If a target is hit, the shooter is awarded 2 points. If he misses the target, the others are awarded 1 point each. The first person who gets 60 points wins the competition. In a contest between A, B, and C, the final scorecard is A got 60 points, B got 53 points, and C got 43 points. Out of a total of 78 shots fired, 43 hit the target. Now, first of all, एक बार question को अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं हम लोग. Now, see, there are 3 competitors, A, B, and C. And here it is given that the first one to score 60 points is the winner. And A has scored 60 points, meanwhile B has scored 53 and C 43. So definitely winner is A only. Fine. Now further, किस तरह से हो रहा है competition? Suppose A is first one to take the shot, तो A 4 shots लेंगे, followed by either B or C. So I am assuming A के बाद B आ रहे हैं, so then he will take next 4 shots followed by C. And this cycle will repeat again, followed by A and so on. Now see, the total shots taken is not a multiple of 4. In fact, we are having 78 shots in total. Fine, there were 78 shots in total. So 78 is basically a number of 4n plus 2 form, or we can write it as 4 into 19, which is 76 plus 2. So we can say that there were 19 rounds which were completed. 19 rounds पूरे complete हुए थे और 2 extra shots लिए गए थे. Now see, since A is the one who is finishing the tournament, who is finishing the competition, so definitely ये last के 2 shots A ने ही लिए. Fine, this we can say. Now to divide these 19 rounds among the 3, we can have the division like 6 rounds, 6 rounds, and 7 rounds. And we cannot divide it equally because this is not divisible by 3, right? Now out of these division, A cannot play 7 rounds. I'm telling you the reason why. Now suppose A is the one who is starting the tournament and they all have played 6 rounds. Now A is going to play the 7th one. Fine, his 7th one, right? But he is the one who is taking 2 extra shots. So यदि A 7th round पूरा complete करता है तो वो extra shot then B must be taking. But हमें ये पता है कि A ने 2 extra shots लिए हैं. So from here we can say that A is the one who has not completed 7 round, rather he is the one who has completed 6. Definitely he has completed 6 round and he has taken 2 extra shots. So total shots taken by A is 6 rounds. So 6 into 4, 24 plus 2 extra shot, that makes it 26. Now we have a confusion between B and C. Out of B and C, one must have taken 6 rounds, one must have played 6 rounds, and the other one must have played 7 rounds. So there is a confusion. So let us consider 2 cases. In the first case, let us assume that B is the one who has played 7 rounds and C is the one who has played for 6 rounds. So the number of shots taken by B then must be 7 into 4, 24. And by 7 into 4, that is 28, and by C it must be 6 into 4, that is 24. Now we know that for every shot which hits the target, 2 points are awarded, and for every shot that misses the target, 1 point is awarded to the other 2 components, other 2 contestants, you can say, right? So I am assuming that out of these 26 shots taken by A, X shots hits the target. So the number of shots that misses the target must be 26 minus X. In case of B, let us assume that Y shots hits the target. So 28 minus Y must have missed the target. In case of C, let us assume Z to be the number which hits the target. So 24 minus Z, ये वो shots होंगे जिन्होंने target miss किया है. Now this is case first. In case second, we will assume A has taken 26 shots, B has taken 24, 6 rounds by B and 7 rounds by C. So this is case second. Now first of all, let us focus on case first only. केवल case first पे ध्यान देते हैं. Now out of these 78 shots fired, 43 hit the target. So from here, can we say that this number x plus y plus z must be equal to 43 because these are the number of the shots which hits the target और ये 43 दे रखा है. So this is our equation number 1. Now see, let us focus on the points scored by A. A ने x hit किए, so for every hit he gets 2 points. For x hits he must have got 2x points. Similarly, the number of hits, the number of shots missed by B. B ने कितना मिस किया? 28 minus y. तो ये वो स्कोर है जो A को मिला होगा, because if B misses तो A और C दोनों को स्कोर दिया जाएगा, तो plus 28 minus y. Similarly, Z ने जो शॉट मिस किए हैं 24 minus Z, वो भी A के स्कोर में ऐड होगा, and this total equals 60. Fine. Now see, this is what 2x minus y minus z is equal to 28 and 24 is 52, and when we subtract 52 from 60 we'll get 8. Further, 2x is equal to 8 plus y plus z. Now we know the value of x plus y plus z, so I will do one thing, I will add x to both the sides. Now here it becomes 3x and here it becomes 8 plus x plus y plus z is equal to 43. So this becomes 51. So from here x comes out to be 17. Fine. So we have find the value of x, that is 17. So the number of shots hit by A was 17. So missed by A must be equal to 9 there. Fine. Now let us do the same process for B. B ने कितना hit किया है? Y. So the point he must have scored must be 2y. फिर A ने जो मिस किया है 26 minus x, वो B ने स्कोर किया होगा. Although we know the value of x now, but still I will use this only, है ना. तो जो A ने मिस किए हैं उतने ही पॉइंट्स B को भी मिले होंगे, और जो C ने मिस किए हैं that is 24 minus z, उतने ही पॉइंट्स B को मिले होंगे. And this total equals how much? 53. B का स्कोर was 53. So from here we get 2y minus x minus z, and this equals 53 minus 50, that is equal to 3. Further, 2y is equal to 3 plus x plus z, or adding y both the sides we'll get 3y is equal to 3 plus x plus y plus z is 43, so equal to 46. Now here is an issue. Now we are getting value of y which is not an integer. This is 46 by 3. Fine. So this is 15.33, which is not an integer. So there must be some error. Basically, there is no error. We can now say that this case first is wrong. Now we need to focus on case number second. Fine. So let me remove all this first. What I have done for case 1, I am removing all that. So, since y की value is not coming as integer, so from there we can conclude that first case is wrong, है ना. So now we'll focus on case number 2. Now in case number 2, what we have assumed is कि C is the one who has played 7 round. हमने case 1 में assume किया था कि B is the one who has played 7 round. Now this is wrong. So C must be the one who has played 7 round. Now I will follow the same process. Fine. So let us assume that out of this 26, A hits x, so A misses 26 minus x. B का कितना स्कोर है? Y B ने हिट किया है, तो B must have missed 24 minus y. C ने हिट किया है Z, तो C ने मिस किया होगा. I'm writing here hit and miss. So C must have missed 28 minus y. Now again the same property, x plus y plus z must be equal to 43. This will be same, right? Because यहाँ पे दे रखा है out of total shot 43 hit the target. Now let us calculate the score of A. So x A के hit हुए हैं, तो 2x must be the score from there, plus जो B and C ने miss किया है वो भी A के score में add होगा, तो that is 24 minus y plus 28 minus y, and this all must be equal to 60. Fine. So again 2x minus y, this is z, sorry. So 2x minus y minus z must be equal to 60, minus 24 and 28 is 52. So from here we get 2x is equal to 8 plus y plus z, adding x both the sides, so we'll get 3x is equal to 8 plus x plus y plus z is 43, so that makes it 51. So x again is coming out to be 17 only. Fine. तो यहाँ पर हम कह सकते हैं कि x की वैल्यू is 17. let me note it down here. X is 17. Fine. And let me remove the part that we are not using to make some extra space. Okay. Now we'll follow the same process for B also. ठीक है, B के लिए भी हम same process follow करते हैं. So this was B का score. So B ने Y hit किए हैं. So he must have scored 2Y. और जो A का मिस हुआ है वो भी B का स्कोर माना जाएगा. So plus 26 minus X plus so Z का मिस हुआ है वो भी Y का स्कोर माना जाएगा, B का स्कोर माना जाएगा. So 28 minus Z, and this all must be equal to 53. That is the score of B. Fine, B का score was 53. So this is 2Y is equal to 53 में से 26 and 28. That makes it 54. So this is -1 plus how much? X plus Z. अब यदि हम दोनों साइड Y ऐड कर देते हैं तो this becomes 3Y and this equals -1 plus X plus Y plus Z is 43. Fine. So from here we'll get the value of this is 43 minus 1 is 42. So Y will come out to be 14. Fine. So we have got the value of Y as 14. Now we know that the value of X plus Y plus Z is 43. So 17 plus 14 plus Z is equal to 43. From here we can say that the value of Z is nothing but 12. So now we have got all the values, all the required values. So let me write it down here. A, B and C. A hit how many targets? So X is what? 17 was hit by A, and the number missed by A was how much? 26 minus X. So 26 minus 17 is basically 9. Fine. B hits Y number of target. So 14 was hit by B and he misses 24 minus Y, that is 10. C, Z is 12. Fine. And he misses 28 minus Z, that is 16. Fine. So this is the final table जो हमें चाहिए थी. And from here we can say that A is the one who is taking second chance. See, किसी ने 7 round complete किए हैं. So C must be the one who has taken first chance. B का अभी तक 6 round complete हुआ है और C ने 6 round के अलावा 2 shots extra ले लिए हैं. तो A must be the second player and B is the third one to start. So we can say that A is second player to start the C started the game. A was second one to play and B was third one to play. Fine. Now let us move to the question part. Let me remove all this first. Okay, so now let's move to the question part. So first question was, who was the second person to shoot? Now we have already found it out that A was the second person to shoot. So the answer to first question is A. How many targets did A hit? So the number of targets hit by A was 17. So the answer to second is 17. And how many targets did B miss? So the number of targets missed by B is 10. So these are the respective answers to these questions. So I hope this set is clear to all of you. Thank you.